Hello from London. Hello, my lovely followers. Today, I want to create this video for my online academy members. I want to show you how you can fix it, your common mistakes, and don't create new mistakes. Why is your technique doesn't work? Follow me, and I hope it's help. It's help for you, and you. Let's start. Rule number 1. Before you start curl, you need properly from top to end brush, and you need work only with clean hair. You see, I brush through is silky and free from any products or from everything, free and silky. Then you take strand, take your curling iron. You see, we start work from end. I don't go here or here. I don't burn my hands. You see, this way, and you start wrap it around the barrel, little bit this way. You need hold. If your hair is thick and coarse, natural, you need hold 20 seconds. If lady have a blonde hair, please don't ruin her hair. Don't hold long. Just 10 seconds. It's very important. Work with temperature and control temperature. If you want, you can add some product, heat protection, but nothing else. Clean hair. Now you take out, and then you need clip it and wait until these rings. You see, it's ring after ring. You need wait until these rings getting cold. I don't have today my clips with me, and this way how I create my waves cold. You see, when I see this totally cold, then I drop it down. And here is very important moment. Please, you need grab your strand. Where is your end? And pull just a little bit. Don't do like very hard, yeah? Just a little bit. And you brush here from top to end very carefully, very gently. Take here and brush it through. Now it's very fluffy and frizzy. Take Osis volume up wax spray. Apply. You need apply this way. Don't make patches. No. This way. You see? I don't pull very hard, just gentle. And you brush through second time. Now it's clean. You return back this way. And when you open your waves, 1, 2, 3. And please, lovely people, use hairspray, not water or any another product. Here's this hairspray. And look at this. This way, I fix Hollywood wave. This way, all the way through. And here is this amazing result, what we get. And please, give me pleasure and repeat same result. And send me your photo or video in my private messages, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere, or in online academy. You see how amazing is the result. And when you create Hollywood waves, you should tell your customers the Hollywood waves, they're stalling 15 centimeters of length. It's better if you use extension. You see how much it's jump up these waves. I wish you luck.